In this video, I'm going to show you the quick process of downloading Netflix on your PC. If you want to straight watch Netflix without opening up your website, then using the desktop app of Netflix is a great way. To download it, click on the search bar on the bottom and then search for Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store option. Inside of the Microsoft Store, you'll see a search bar on the top. Click on it and search for Netflix. The search results will open up. Click on the Netflix option and the app of Netflix will show. Now all you need to do is click on Get and the application will start to download on your device. Once the download has been completed, you'll see an Open button. Click on Open and your Netflix app will start up. Now after that, it's the same process. You can click on the sign in button on the top right and then sign in to your Netflix account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos and more Netflix videos similar to this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.